Hello everyone.
Today we will do the parts design and assembly of the spigot quarter joint. So today we will do the design in parts assembly of the spigot quarter joint. Go to the front plane, go to the sketch, right to the draw a center line, horizontal, and then select line. So first we will draw the sketch of the body and then we will define it. Okay. And then now define it. It will be of 105 mm. Okay, and then this will be of 28 mm. And here 12.5 mm. It's 23 mm. Just we are defining the body. It will be 60 mm. And here 17.5. It's not taking, asking for a degree. I think it has been slightly slant. Let me check once again. So yes, it is slant. So select the line and give it horizontal and then give the smart dimension. Your dimension is 17.5 mm. Okay, and then for here it will be 32 mm. The outermost horizontal to center line. Okay, let me check once again for this line. It will be of 30 mm. Everything has been defined. Let me give the fillet for the sketch. It will be for 3 mm. Fine. And here 0.3 mm. It will be okay for all the corners. 0.3, sorry, 3 mm. Everything has been fillet done. Okay, yes, everything has been defined. And exit sketch, go to the revolve center, select the center line, and this has been formed. After that, go to the top plane and go to the normal. So we are doing the extrude part for the pin. Draw a center line. It will be of construction line. Then define it. It will be 28 mm. Then after that, draw a line just after the center line what we have drawn, and define it as a 32 mm, and select the offset up to 4 mm, upside and downside also. Just we are doing the making that rectangle to extrude the part. Okay, and now join the lines. Delete the lines unwanted what we have drawn for the references, and exit sketch, go to the extrude and extrude through all both sides. I think it has been not enclosed, so extrude is not taking. Let me check once again. Here is the one extra line, so because of that reason it is not taking the extrude. Now select the extrude and select through all both sides. Okay, so now extrude has been done, and save the part. Let me make new folder for that to save the all parts. Pocket. Go to the new, for next part, select 3D part and go to the front view, select sketch and normal, draw a center line. For here also, let me draw the outer sketch and then we will define it. Let me change the lines, construction line to normal lines. Okay, and make it as a horizontal. Let me change this line also as a normal line. Okay, all the lines has been changed to normal lines. Then give the smart dimension. For here 16 mm and here will be of 23 mm. Okay, 12.5 mm for the radius, it will be of shaft. Then here 94 mm. 12.5 mm. Just we are defining the lines what we have drawn. Let me draw this line once again, and then once again we will define it. Let me make this fillet first. 3 mm. Okay, this is not required because it is shaft. We can extrude more also. For here it will be 12 mm. Then exit sketch and go to the revolve, select the center line and Okay, select the top plane, go to the sketch and normal. So we are extruding the part for the pin. Draw a line and define it. Just we are taking the reference line 24 mm. So after this we will draw the sketch for the extrude. Draw a line and define it as a 32 mm. It will be offset 4 mm for upside and downside. So total will be of 8 mm. Enclose it and then delete the unwanted lines what we have drawn for the reference. Exit sketch and go to the extrude. Extrude through all. It's not taking. Let me check once again. So here also the line has been extra. So delete it and go to the extrude and select the sketch and go to the through all both side. Okay. Done and save it. Save as spigot. And go to the new part 3D design and go to the front plane. So we are doing the pin. Okay, draw a center line. It will be vertical and then just offset it up to 15 mm. Okay, and left side also 15 mm and then just enclose it. Let me first define it. 100 mm, 100 mm, 100 mm. Okay, and then enclose it by drawing a line. Okay, then exit sketch and just extrude it. Extrude up to 8 mm. Okay, the pin has been formed and let me just chamfer it. Chamfer up to 45 degree. Let me try once for 30 or 90. No, it's not taking. Just we taking. Let me give the 45 degree. Okay. Pin formed and just save it. Cottur. Go to the assembly and then we are doing the assembly of the parts. Spigot quarter joint. Insert the parts. We will select all the parts. No worry about that, because we can assemble all the parts easily. It's not that much of complicated for that purpose. Just open all the parts and now go to the assembly. Select the inner circle and outer circle. Select mate as a concentric mate and then it will have coincident mate. After that, go to the width mate for the advanced mate. In advanced mate, you will get the width mate. Select both the sides of the cottur and the assembly of the spigot. First we will select the both side of the cottur and then spigot both sides. Okay, this has been assembled. Thank you. Thank you for watching our video and subscribe for more videos.